At Raad Tours and Travels, we believe Hajj is more than a journey. It is one of the greatest acts of worship in a Muslim's life. In 2026, we had the honor of serving 193 pilgrims from 7 different countries, 3 continents, and our pilgrims were distributed across 17 different Nusuk packages. Through 30 live educational webinars, we prepared our pilgrims with practical training, spiritual guidance, and detailed instruction so they could perform every rite of Hajj with confidence and peace of mind. Our multilingual team supported pilgrims in Arabic, English, French, Bangla, Urdu, Somali, Swahili, and Fulani, ensuring every pilgrim could receive guidance and worship confidently in their preferred language. We successfully coordinated services across 5 hotels in Makkah and 4 hotels in Medina, guiding our pilgrims through every stage of Hajj. From arrival and orientation to Tawaf and Sa'i, the days of Mina, the standing at Arafah, the night in Muzdalifah, the stoning of the Jamarat, and finally their safe return home. At Raad Tours and Travels, we don't simply book Hajj packages. We educate, we prepare, we guide, we serve. Because every pilgrim deserves more than a travel agency. They deserve a team that walks beside them through every step of this sacred journey. Raad Tours and Travel. Your journey, our purpose.